In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent email in Outlook. If you've ever sent an email and immediately realized there was a mistake, maybe the wrong attachment, a typo, or the message went to the wrong person, Outlook has a recall feature that may help. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to use it, so you can move quickly and confidently when you need to take back a sent message. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, since that's where this option is typically available. Once Outlook is open, look over to your mail folders and go to your Sent Items. This is the folder where Outlook stores the emails you've already sent. Inside Sent Items, find the specific email that you want to recall. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct message, especially if you send a lot of similar emails. Once you've found it, click on that email to open it. You'll need to have the message itself open in order to access the recall option properly. After the email is open, look for the three dots, which usually represent more options. Click those three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Actions. This section contains extra message-related tools that aren't always shown right away, so if you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. Just carefully check the available options under Actions. Next, click Recall this message if you see it. In some cases, this option may not be visible, and that can depend on your Outlook version, account type, or organization settings. But if it does appear on your screen, select it to continue. Once you click the recall option, a new window should appear with a choice you can select. Choose the recall option shown there, then click OK to confirm. This tells Outlook to attempt to recall the email you already sent. Keep in mind that recalling a message in Outlook does not always work in every situation. The result can depend on factors like whether the recipient has already opened the message or whether both accounts are using compatible Outlook and Exchange settings. So it's best to do this as soon as possible after sending the email. And that's it. That's how to recall a sent email in Outlook. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll know exactly where to go the next time you need to fix a sent message quickly.